about the H-1B pilot program, which included stamping in the US. So, Sonal, earlier this year, the H-1B pilot program was launched and stamping in the US was available. We heard a lot of updates around the pilot. A lot of our followers also ended up using the pilot process. Since then, we haven't heard any updates. Can you shed some light on if the pilot is going to launch again, what's the status right now, or any other update that you have around the process?
So, Department of State representatives were there at the AILA annual conference in June in Chicago, and the official update is that the program was very successful, and they are thinking of expanding it. They are going to continue with the pilot program. It's probably going to be a program rather than just pilot program. But they intend to continue with it because they think it was a successful program, and they have understood the requirements because they were also doing it after like decades. So what kind of infrastructure is required, what kind of resources are required. Right now the process was that everybody still had to use, like, you're basically doing everything what you would do as you're going to India, like even payment system was the same. So they're looking into it, like if you're in US with the pilot, they might make it payment options available to you while you're in the US using your American credit card or things like that. So they are taking all that input from this pilot program and what all they have to do in order for it to be bigger and better. There are also considerations of including H4 dependents with the stamping stateside. In this pilot program, only principal beneficiaries were eligible. The families were not, but they mentioned that they are expecting to include family members as well. And the unofficial timeline that was provided was later in this year. Now it could be fall, it could be winter, or it could be next year, early next year. But we only heard positive things from them, that they think it was successful and they definitely are gonna expand it so that a lot more people can qualify, and they will also include family members. That's all we have for now.
That is really helpful. So in the current state, like today, it is not happening, but hopefully we can expect an update later in the year and probably the program will come back. So thank you so much for clarifying that, because I know people have been waiting for this as well for a long time. So appreciate the time. And for everyone who's listening, I hope this was helpful. Please leave a comment in case you have more questions around immigration, and we will try to get that answered next time. If things aren't going your way, remember it's okay, Yaar, because they will eventually turn around. This is Priya and Sonal signing off. Until next time, have a wonderful day.